Are you looking for contemporary garden landscaping and decor ideas for your backyard decor? By using contemporary patio decorating ideas, you can create beautiful garden ideas and outdoor landscaping ideas. There are lots of considerations and decisions to be made when it comes to garden decor. Make sure to incorporate focal points in your design to stand out from the crowd. Incorporating focal points into your garden design can draw the eye and create interest. Focal points can be anything from a stunning tree to a sculpture or water feature. Position these elements strategically to enhance the overall composition. Pathways guide visitors through the garden and create a sense of exploration. Use materials like gravel, stone, or wood to create inviting paths. Borders can help define different areas within the garden and provide structure to the design. Layering plants of varying heights and textures creates depth and visual interest. Use taller plants in the back and shorter ones in the front to ensure that all plants are visible. Incorporate a mix of foliage shapes and colors to add richness to the garden. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of contemporary garden landscaping and decor ideas for your backyard decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. To ensure your garden is beautiful year-round, choose plants that offer seasonal interest. Incorporate evergreen plants for winter greenery, spring bulbs for early color, summer blooms for vibrancy, and autumn foliage for stunning displays. Consider implementing sustainable gardening practices such as composting, rain gardens, and permaculture among others. Composting is an eco-friendly way to enrich your garden soil. By turning kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich compost, you can reduce waste and improve your garden's health. Create a compost bin or pile in a designated area of your garden. Rain gardens are designed to manage stormwater runoff while providing beauty and habitat for wildlife. These gardens are typically planted in a shallow depression and consist of native plants that thrive in wet conditions. Rain gardens help filter pollutants and reduce erosion. Permaculture is a sustainable gardening practice that emphasizes working with nature. This approach involves designing gardens that mimic natural ecosystems, promoting biodiversity, and using resources efficiently. Consider incorporating companion planting and crop rotation to enhance your garden's sustainability. To keep your garden in top condition, don't forget regular maintenance such as regular watering, pruning, deadheading, pest management, and mulching. Consistent watering is essential for maintaining a healthy garden. Consider installing a drip irrigation system or using soaker hoses to ensure your plants receive adequate moisture. Be mindful of the specific water needs of each plant. Regular pruning and deadheading promote healthy growth and encourage blooming. Remove dead or diseased foliage and trim back overgrown plants to maintain shape and vigor. Deadheading spent flowers will encourage new blooms and prolong the flowering season. Keeping pests at bay is crucial for maintaining a beautiful garden. Use organic pest control methods, such as introducing beneficial insects, applying neem oil, or creating barriers to protect plants. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or disease. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Use organic materials like wood chips, straw, or compost to create a protective layer around your plants. Mulching also adds visual appeal to the garden. At the end of each growing season, conduct a thorough cleanup of your garden. Remove dead plants, clear debris, and prepare the soil for the next season. This practice helps prevent pests and diseases from overwintering in your garden. Gardens serve as spaces for mindfulness and meditation. The simplicity and tranquility gardens encourage visitors to slow down, breathe deeply, and focus on the present moment. Engaging with the garden can foster a sense of peace and clarity. Spending time in a garden can help reduce stress and anxiety. The serene environment promotes relaxation, providing a refuge from the chaos of everyday life. The act of raking gravel or tending to plants can also be therapeutic. Gardens are visually stunning, adding beauty and elegance to any space. Their minimalist design and harmonious arrangement of elements create a calming atmosphere, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of gardens, yards, or indoor settings. Gardens foster a deep connection with nature. By incorporating natural elements and focusing on their beauty, visitors can cultivate an appreciation for the environment and reflect on their relationship with the natural world. Gardens provide a dedicated space for reflection and contemplation. Whether used for meditation, quiet reading, or solitary walks, these gardens encourage introspection and personal growth. When designing a garden, consider the location. It should be a quiet, peaceful area that allows for contemplation. Whether it's a small corner of your yard or an indoor space, the garden should be accessible and inviting. Choose the elements that resonate with you. Consider incorporating rocks, gravel, sand, plants, and water features. Select materials that align with your aesthetic preferences and are suitable for your climate. Sketch a layout of your garden, considering the placement of each element. Aim for balance and harmony, and remember to embrace asymmetry. Visualize how you want to move through the space and how each element will interact. While gardens are often low maintenance, they do require some care. Regularly rake the gravel to maintain patterns, and keep plants trimmed and healthy. Taking care of the garden can also serve as a meditative practice. Once your garden is complete, engage with the space regularly. Spend time meditating, reflecting, or simply enjoying the beauty of your surroundings. Use the garden as a sanctuary for relaxation and introspection. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary garden landscaping and decor ideas for your backyard decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.